Hi, it's Andrew from Phoneinc. Today we're going to demonstrate how to change your LCD on a Nokia 6280. I've got a demonstration phones here. It's a 6280A, which is exactly the same thing with different type of keypads. But to show you, that's the LCDs. It's been broken. It's a very common case. What we'll do is we'll replace that. The service center usually charge you about $150 to $200. What you really need to do is you really need to buy yourself a new LCD. It'll probably cost you about $70 $60, and a small screwdriver, just a flat screwdrivers, and you can do it yourself. It's pretty easy. Now just follow the camera. Let's turn off the phone. It's pretty standard. Take out the batteries, just so that you don't electrocute yourself. Now to take the front covers, it's very easy. It's 4 clips on the side of the phone. For those people that has fingernails, it should be very easy. Just bend them open a little bit and it should come straight out, just like that. Okay, now the hard part is to take the LCD out from the socket. There's 4 clicks on the 4 corners, just to make sure. There's 2 clicks on the side, which is it's shine. But the thing is, with taking out the LCD from its frame, you just have to be very careful, because otherwise if you damage the socket on the board, it will not work. Okay, so when we take this out, put your screwdrivers in, just twist it out a little bit. It should unclick himself. The socket will come right out. Again, this is a very delicate procedure. Try to do as careful as possible. Once that's out, we need to take the keypad pressure pad out. It's glued onto the housings, but it's it won't damage it. So just, if you can't get it out, just try to force a little bit and pull it out. It's glued on, but it comes off. Once that comes off, don't try to pull everything, because it's still attached underneath. Okay, what you need to do is you need to very carefully take the connection out. It's plug-in connections. Try to use your finger to take it out, because you can make sure that the force is not too strong. If you use a screwdriver, try to jack it out, you might damage the pins. They're very small, and once you damage that, it's very hard to replace. Okay, take out the keyboard here, then you have another plug for the LCD. Same thing, just be very gentle. So now the LCD comes off. All we need to do is put the new LCDs on, same way they came off. Make sure the connection is tight. Put the LCD in place. Same thing, put back the keypad pressure pad. There's only one way that the thing will go in, so when it's clicking, just make sure it's firmly attached, and we put it back in. When you replace the LCD, you don't need to glue the keypad back in, so you just leave it there. We'll put it in and everything should work fine. Put the frame on the LCD. put them back in. There we go. Just so when you put it back in, make sure you put the top in first, then put the housings back on. It's clip on, the same way you take it off. Just put the top end back on first. Okay, now let's test our result. There we go. Brand new phone. Okay, this is a demonstration brought to you by Phoneinc. Thank you.